Great campsite. And now I gotta find my way back. There used to be a trail up there, but that big log that is probably 7 feet thick fell across it. So now you just have to kind of find your way through all this mess to get back up to the trail. That's why I'm leaving in the daylight, because there's no way I could have done it during it dark. And I'm going into town today, so I've only got 8.5 miles into town, so I didn't need to get up super early. Still in burned trees this morning from the Dixie fire. I think we're about out of them, but there's been so many fires in California. People tell me that we probably will go through a burned area almost once a day. There's supposed to be a lot of rattlesnakes in this part too. Haven't seen any yet. But comments and far out say people are seeing them. So I'm watching. Bears too. Still bears in this area. Got my feet wet in that one, that's for sure. Rock rolled. My foot went in. I think they would have been wet anyways. With no good place to cross there. I crossed right there in that rock. Tried to get across, but too slippery and too many little rolling rocks. Wet feet and wet lower legs. I'm headed into Belden, California. It's not really, I don't think it's really a town. It's just a really small place with like a general store, a little campground, and maybe a restaurant, and that's about it. I hope I can do my resupply there. I can eat about anything, so if there's a service station, I can find something I'll eat. I think that may be Belden on the other side of that bridge. It says EB Stamp Mill, Joshua Hendy Ironworks, San Francisco, California. Belden Powerhouse, and yeah, there's a train going by too. This is so cute. Okay, so I got tokens for the showers here. This is just disgusting. Look at those black flies. They're just covering the walls. And giant spiders. I'm gonna leave the tokens as trail magic for somebody else. I can't take a shower with that many spiders and creatures and stuff. Ugh, that's horrible. I'll be dirty. I'm gonna go to the next town. It's only about 2 days away. Nope. And I guess the laundry is no longer a service. I asked them about it. Maybe they're replacing machines or something. But anyway, no laundry here either. The restaurant was good though. Very expensive resupply. Fortunately, I only needed a day and a half or 2 days of resupply. Heading out. This is the trail. Still gonna do some more miles today. I just had to wait for it to cool off. This is a huge climb and it is very exposed and hot today. It is cooled off. I think it was close to 90 earlier, 85 at least. And now it is cooled off to upper 70s. And the sun's starting to go down, so I'm going to do some night hiking because it's just too hot to do this in the heat of the day because there are no trees, they're all burned. And she has a baby. Oh, 2 mamas and baby. No trains coming. Hey, check it out, I'm making progress. All of Washington, part of California, I'm there where the arrow is. And I've already done some down in the southernmost part of California. Pretty cool. We're in Bucks Lake Wilderness. Well, since I didn't get shower or laundry done here, I can do them at Bucks Lake or Quincy in a day and a half, 2 days. This is about 23 miles away. So I'm just gonna plan on doing that. You can just barely see the bridge down there. That's where I was, just right beside that bridge. Heading up the mountain. I think there's about 30 switchbacks, thousands of feet of elevation. I'm not gonna make it to the top tonight, but I'm gonna do as much as I can while it's cool and then get up in the cool of the morning and do the rest. There's still some trees up here, but they're burnt. Those are the mountains we came down this morning. Well, Belden wasn't a total bust. I did sit in the air conditioning for hours, worked on editing videos on the air conditioning, charged up all my electronics, and their Wi-Fi was good, so I uploaded a bunch of videos too. So it was a productive day. I hiked 8.5 miles to get there, and now I'm hiking some more miles. I don't know how far, maybe about 4.5 or 5.5, something like that. So this will be a good day. And this is a new thing that I don't think I've mentioned in my videos before. It's called a hero. It's when you go to town, do chores, and then hike out of town the same day. A Nero is when you hike into town, spend the night, and then hike out the next day. Near zero. And then an actual zero is when you hike into town one day, stay the night, do 0 miles the next day, stay the night in town again, and then hike out the next day. There are a few live trees. Going through some now makes the trail really dark. Almost a full moon. Glad I'm doing this climb in the dark. It's still 72 degrees. It dropped from 78, and it is hot. Glad I didn't take a shower. But if you look, I don't know if you can see with the moon, but I'm about to the top of the mountains. This campsite's up on a ridge. No storms, no storm clouds. Very exposed, but I think I'm going to take it. Well, I've got it set up. Looks like a great campsite. I wish I could show you. There's mountains all the way around. I'm out on a ridge, and it's nice and cool up here. It's still, but cool. It's about 60 degrees. Feels so good.